Windows 11 looks beautiful out of the box, but Microsoft has buried some of its most powerful system settings deep inside complex menus. Right now, your operating system is likely draining your laptop battery, tracking your diagnostic data, and running hidden background processes that can cause unexpected CPU spikes or interrupt your heavy video rendering sessions. Today on Tony's Tech Studio, we are fixing that. I'm going to walk you through 10 hidden Windows 11 settings that every online teacher and content creator needs to change immediately. Grab your laptop, open your settings, and let's optimize your machine for peak responsiveness and privacy. Settings 1, 2, and 3, background apps and boot times. First, let's stop background processes from quietly eating your system resources. While Windows 11 removed the universal background switch for standard desktop software, you can still restrict Microsoft Store apps. Navigate to Settings, then Apps, and click Installed Apps. Click the three dots on Store apps you rarely use, and under Advanced Options, choose Never for background permissions. For heavy programs like Adobe or OBS, make it a habit to check your system tray at the bottom right of your screen. Right-click and fully exit anything you aren't using. Next, let's fix your boot times. Go to your account setting, click Sign In Options, and toggle off the switch that says Automatically Save My Restartable Apps. Turning it off guarantees a clean, fast boot. Finally, hit Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Head to the Startup tab and disable high-impact apps like Spotify or Skype from launching automatically. This won't double your video rendering speed, but it will drastically improve how fast your PC turns on and feels in daily use. Settings 4, 5, and 6, Privacy Lockdown. Next, let's lock down your privacy. Windows tracks an uncomfortable amount of your activity by default. Head to Privacy and Security, then General. Shut off all ad tracking ID toggles and tailored experiences. You do not need your operating system serving you targeted ads. While you're in the Privacy menu, scroll down to Diagnostics and Feedback and disable optional diagnostic data. Setting number 6 protects your privacy during screen shares. Open any folder, click the three dots at the top to open Options, and disable Show Recently Used Files. If you are recording a tutorial or teaching a live class, the last thing you want is for your personal files or confidential client project names to suddenly pop up on the screen. Settings 7 to 10, Creator Productivity Hacks. Now let's supercharge your workflow. Press the Windows key plus V to turn on Clipboard history. This lets you copy multiple links or text blocks at once and paste them exactly when you need them. Just remember to click the pin icon on your most important links, as the history clears whenever you restart your PC. Next, clear visual clutter by turning on Title Bar Window Shake in your multitasking settings. Just click and shake your active window, and every other app minimizes instantly. For deep focus, utilize the focus sessions built into the Windows Clock app to automatically mute all notifications while you are scripting or editing. Finally, let's automate your PC cleanup. Enable Storage Sense in your system settings to automatically clear temporary files and empty your recycle bin. But be very careful here. Click into the Storage Sense settings and make absolutely sure Delete Files in My Downloads folder is set to Never. This ensures you don't accidentally lose any downloaded stock footage or raw client assets. Your PC is now leaner, more private, and strictly optimized for your creative workflow. Let me know in the comments which of these settings surprised you the most. And if you want to free up even more RAM by choosing the right browser, click the video on screen now to watch Brave vs. Edge vs. Chrome, the 2026 verdict. Subscribe to the studio for more workflow hacks and keep creating!